See that little dent there? So for a long time, really since I've had this vehicle, I've been doing the Chevy knock, the Chevy hood knock, which is I pull the thing in there and this doesn't lift. So I got to tap on it while I'm lifting up at the same time. And I always tap right here at the center, gently. But when you bring this into other places, they're beating the hell out of it. And the last time I got the van back, I had a couple dents here. And I just went inside and I was able to pound one out, but I hit it a little too hard and I cracked the paint. That's kind of a bummer. There's a lot of problems with the body on this van. A lot of it just came from like if I park it on the street, which is a bummer, but I'm going to end up doing what everybody else does in the overlanding community, which is at some point here I'm going to sand the whole thing down and probably do a bed liner product on it. Now, there's a paint called Durabec. You can roll it on with a paint roller. It gives a pretty cool texture. It's like a rubberized paint. The U.S. Navy uses it on ships. That's a more cost-effective way to do that. You could do, you know, a DIY thing with it. I might do that. I don't know. I'm not going to do it right now. But right now, we're talking about the Chevy knock. So let me show you something. That has never worked the entire time I've had this van. So I've tried spraying WD-40 on this, all kinds of things over the years, but really what it took was being aggressive. So I used some carb cleaner and I just cleaned out that whole thing in there, hit it with a brush, got in there with a screwdriver, scraped all the muck off of it, wiped it down, then I hit it with some WD-40. Look, it's like, looks brand new practically. Now it works, and I worked it with a screwdriver back and forth a bunch of times. I kept moving it, and really, you know, right now it's locked in place. When you pull the cable, it pulls this part here that way. This releases, and then the pressure from that spring right there jumps it up, and it catches, actually right over here then at that point, by this. And then you got to reach under there, and you got to basically lift this out of the way, and then that releases there. And I've also hammered that down because that was up in the air. So real simple thing. It's just basic maintenance, but it's one of those things I just blew off. I blew it off. I was always too busy doing other things. I spent 8 minutes cleaning this up. So if your hood isn't popping, take the time to clean this up, because you're going to be whacking on your hood. You're going to end up with dents there. And it's not even you. It's if you bring it to a shop someplace, that's what they're going to do. And you're wondering why you have all these dents in the front of your friggin' hood. It's because that thing's been sticking. It just needs some maintenance. Clean it up. That's it. Real simple, quick video for you. I'm so happy. One more thing. Be good. I'll catch you in the next one. And it's a beautiful day in Southern California. Oh, by the way, that's what real clouds look like. Amazing.